I'm Imogen and I'm the Dairy Technical Officer for the South East of Wales. We've recently been conducting trials within a number of farms in this area. At New Dairy Farm in Newport, we've had a focus on silage quality. Here we've been looking into the benefits of the multi-cut system on silage digestibility and then its effects on cow health and performance. At Goldsland's farm in Cardiff, we've been looking at antibiotic usage. We've also been conducting this trial on a number of local discussion group farms within this area. At our Llaeth farm, which is our development site, we've had a focus on calf health and performance. Our first project on this farm is looking into colostrum bacterial load and its effects on blood proteins and calf health and growth. Additionally, we've been looking into the benefits of the positive pressure air ventilation system on lung health and calf performance.
The antibiotics project at Goldsland's farm was developed to not only ensure responsible use of antibiotics on Welsh dairy farms, but also to improve health and welfare at the same time as reducing veterinary spend for dairy farmers. The key findings of this project are, for the last 6 years, antibiotic use at Goldsland's farm is generally low, at less than 15 milligrams per population corrected unit. The 2017 and 18, their overall milligram use was 11 milligrams per PCU with a 1.7 daily dose. This is extremely low. The use of the antibiotic Tylan amounts to nearly 4 milligrams and therefore 1/3 of the usage. This is being used for lameness, and as James Breen discussed, an anti-inflammatory would be better in this situation. James Breen also found the main driver for clinical mastitis is during the lactating period in the summer and autumn. This has drove Abby to gravel around water troughs and gateways and to ensure a consistent paddock rotation to reduce mastitis and reduce the need to treat with antimicrobials. The key concept is to not stop using antimicrobials, but to avoid the need to use them. Therefore, understanding the seasonality for mastitis cases, correct use of selective dry cow therapy, preventative treatment with anti-inflammatories, protocols for disease, staff training, and ensuring a good parlour routine will all help to prevent disease and avoid the need to treat with antimicrobials.
I'm Abby Reader, and here at Goldsland Farm we have been part of a Farming Connect focus project on antibiotic usage and awareness. We hosted an open day here on the farm back in the summer, and we invited along expert James Breen. He gave a fantastic overview to myself and all other farmers attending about the importance of thinking about antibiotic usage in the dairy herd and about being aware of exactly why we're using, what we're using, and to think about whether we actually could be changing our practices or not, and to try and be responsible so that we don't have any unintended consequences. I think events like this are great for focusing the mind on exactly what is important for your farm and what matters to your system. And I very much look forward to continuing to share the data and continuing to listen to other farmers and their journey as we go forward.